Hey guys, in today's video, let's look at how we can get ChatGPT to extract the Yahoo Finance data for us. And the data I want is the closing open, high, low, close data for a particular stock, um, the historical data. So you could find it under Yahoo Finance and going to the historical data tab. Okay, so yeah, let's get ChatGPT to give us some code. So we'll say, please create a Python script to extract Yahoo Finance uh, daily data for a specified stock and a specified start date and end date. And then I wanted to use the YFinance package because the data reader package throws an error now after Yahoo Finance changed their API. So okay, let's see what ChatGPT can come up for us. What it can do. Okay, looks yeah, it looks about correct. So this is a simple one. Let's copy the code. We go to Visual Studio, let's paste that, save, and then we can run it. So this is python demo.py, and yep, as you can see, it printed out the close from 1st Jan to 21st Feb. Okay, so that's a simple one. We could get it to do something a bit more complicated. So maybe we could say, uh, let's say, please extract the data only on days when the VIX is above, say, 30. Okay, so what this does is when the VIX measures the amount of panic in the market, you could say. So a VIX above 30 usually is an indication that there's a fair degree of panic. So we only want those dates. Okay. So it's modified the code and let's copy it. Let's replace the code that we had earlier, save, and again we'll type. So Python demo.py. Okay, as you can see here, so now what it's done is it's extracted the days where the VIX was high, and as you can see, the results are a lot less. So between 2021 and 2022, there were only, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There were only 9 days where the VIX was that high. Okay, so I hope you guys found this useful to extract Yahoo Finance historical data. Some things just to recap is you'd want to use the YFinance package. So if you don't have that already installed, just pip install YFinance, and then you can get your historical stock data. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.